Hello everyone, and thank you for stopping by. This is a curbless shower. As you can see, these are 12 by 24 tiles. They look like cement. And as you can see, I put in a bench and also a niche as well. The niche is wider, so it's 12 inch by 24 inch. And my corners are returns and they're 45 as well as the bench. I'll put up an install of this when I can get to it. But in the meantime, I'm working on another video, so I'm concentrating on that one first. I'm hoping you come by and subscribe to my channel, and so you can see some future projects. They're still working on this. They're working on the cabinets. So thank you, and have a good day.